Alrighty guys, man, I tell you what, if it wasn't for bad luck, I wouldn't have any luck at all. Just so happens that I hadn't gotten a traffic ticket in almost 20 years. And in the mail, I get this. It's got a picture of my truck here, running a stoplight in Mesquite, Texas. Now, I'm gonna play the video that they supposedly got me on, and I've watched it several times, and yeah, I'm at fault. It is my fault. I broke the law. Therefore, I am going to pay the $75 fine. But keep in mind, as you can see in the video when I'm fixing to play it, I'm gonna play it twice. I'm gonna show it to you twice. Interstate 635 to the left up there is an exit right before when I exit off. I'm in a black F-150. You'll see a white Ford truck in front of me. But the whole time that I'm exiting and I see the huge sign that says photo enforced, intersection, red light, camera. As I'm coming up to the intersection, it is still green, and I am looking to the left to make sure those idiots over there are not, anything coming to run their red light, because mine's still green. So I'm looking, and I'm still coming, and the light turns yellow and then red immediately. Bam, bam. So right as I get into the middle of the intersection, it turns red. So that's, I don't know, nothing else I can do or say except I'm guilty. It would probably cost me more money to get a lawyer to try to fight it, but I really don't. But anyway, here's the video. As you can tell, from the video, I'm only going 17 miles per hour. That's what it says I was going. It's got a radar built into the video camera, and but I was the whole time I was looking to the left to make sure nobody was coming. There wasn't a soul. It was like a barren desert on the road to the left. There wasn't a car over there. But so I just blew right through that intersection, and yeah, I was in the wrong, but it is what it is. Bam, $75. Might as well just take the money out of your wallet, pour gas on it, and just light it. But crap-oly. That was my excitement for the week.